Welcome everybody to the March meeting of the Brew Robotics Club. Let's see, how many people is this their first time here? Still a lot of feedback, folks. Excellent. There's 4, 5, 6, 7 people. For the people who are new here, we need to tell you the lay of the land. Okay.
Any better?
I can't tell. Can you people back hear me? Somebody back there raise their hand? You can hear me, okay. What? Okay. The most important thing is where is the restrooms? The restrooms are over there where the exit sign is. You go through that door and then right to the right. For those of you who have been here for a while, you know that we struggle with audio in this room, and we're working on getting a new location where we won't have to fight with the high-end noise in this room. So if you cannot hear us in back, you have to let us know, and because we can't tell. Okay, the agenda for the night is club-related news, followed by show and tell, followed by a break, about a 5-minute break for a speaker. Then we have our talk. Then after our talk with the usual questions and answers, we break up and we just sort of wander around and talk with one another. At 10 o'clock, we sort of have to scoot out of here, and if it's not too cold or rainy or windy, some of us will keep talking out in the parking lot until Google security comes along and kicks us off the site. So that's kind of the agenda. So for club-related news, let's talk about dues. We're in our dues collection phase of things. Do you have our Secretary Treasurer needs a mic.
Can I use the handheld? Handhelds?
Try it. Yellow one. That's right last year.
Test. Can anyone hear me? No.
Try this.
Test.
There we go.
Test. So hopefully this will last. So my name is Osmond. I'm the Treasurer and Secretary of the Brew Robotics Club. And as Wayne mentioned, through the first 3 months of the year, we are in our dues collecting season. So some of you may not even know that the club has dues. That's probably because dues are optional, and generally we don't go around passing a hat or anything like that. So you don't have to pay dues in order to come to the club meetings or participate on the Google group that we have. But if you are able to contribute, we greatly appreciate your support. Dues are $10 for either a family or an individual, and that covers you for the whole year. And dues go to things like printing flyers, banners, supporting us during events like what's coming up, Maker Fair. Anytime we might need to have some expenses, and we might have some expenses in the summer. Are you going to talk about? So if you would like to pay, you can give me a check, cash. There's also information about how to pay via PayPal in the Google group. So thank you very much.
So we're going to do the rest of the club-related news here. Let's see, has Robot Block Party happened yet?
Whoa.
No?
Yeah, no.
Why don't you two do all
Hey,
this?
wait. Okay. In 2 weeks, we have an event called the Robot Block Party. The Robot Block Party is a celebration of National Robotics Week. This is a fully ordained national week of celebration of robotics by the United States government to get the kids to recognize the importance of robots and getting them excited about it and so on and so forth. I've sent out the email. Everybody's got the email? Everybody's got the email. We'll show of hands here. Hey, all right. This Robot Block Party is going to be at some law firm, Hildebrand or something in Palo Alto. There's an email out there, and you really need to be on the mailing list if you plan on participating in these. And oh, by the way, bring your robot. Everybody's building robots here, clear on that concept, right? Okay, so that's the block party on April the 9th. Can I keep going?
Keep going.
Okay. 1 month after that is Maker Faire. Maker Faire is May 17 and 18. Price of admission, 1 homebrewed robot. So, you know, build robots, people. That's what we do here. And then finally, this summer on June the 28th and 29th is the first of what will hopefully be an annual event, Robot Jamboree or Robo Jam at the Alameda Fairgrounds. It's part of their Rockets and Robots Week. The first group of kids, they're going to be showing their stuff off on Friday, and then we're going to be hosting an event on the Saturday and Sunday. Ralph Knock, are you here? We're actually going to be having a Robo Magellan contest. Everybody knows what is Robo Magellan? Show of hands. Oh, come on. Everybody knows what Robo Magellan is. Anyways, that's going to be a real full-on contest with trophies and the whole 9 yards. Everything else is going to be more show and tell exhibition kind of thing. So, again, bring your robot. You are working on a homebrewed robot, right?
Yes.
All right, there we go. That's the spirit. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, let's see, I know Ed Katz wants to give a message. He's walking up here. We discovered that Shiloh won the regional under Science Fair project. That's the hat. So he's going to go to Washington, D.C. for the national. So congratulations. Yeah.
Yeah. Here? I can do it from here. Can you hear me back there? Good. All right, so tomorrow night, the admission's free. IEEE Robotics and Automation Society at Carnegie Mellon, 7 p.m. We're going to have Dr. Lorenzo Flukinger he's from CMU, but he works at NASA Intelligent Robotics Group. And the title is, and I just put this on the mailing list, the title is Service-Oriented Robotic Architecture for Space Robots. So if you're into SOA, Service-Oriented Architecture, this might be appealing to you. If you're into robotics architecture, this might be appealing to you. If you're into space robotics, it might be appealing to you. So we have something for almost everyone. It's free. And it's free too. 7 p.m. tomorrow night.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Okay. Yeah. Nobody can hear me. Shove this against your tonsils.
I know it's going to be possible for me to do this. Okay, April 4th and 5th, Friday, Saturday, San Jose State University. It's the 15th running of the first Silicon Valley Regional, and this one's going to be epic. It's free admission, except you have to pay for parking. I think they're still looking for volunteers, if people can volunteer on Wednesday. If you have some free time Wednesday afternoon, they need field setup. See me if you can volunteer. We've had judges in the past, people in the past come and help on these events, but you have to go through FIRST's Byzantine Volunteer Information Management System. It's actually called VIMS. Okay, it's going to be terrific.
It's actually not that hard. The volunteer system is simple.
Okay.
It's actually not that hard. I did it for first.
The problem is, if you bring a kid who's like between 6 and 12, I'm sorry, they're going to be addicted, and then you're going to have to spend a lot more time with your kids in robotics.
You have that warrant.